Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So after my last video, we did indeed follow the Elliott Wave count. Said in my last video that there is a good chance that this wave 2 is over here when we hit the support area, and that we could now be in the third wave to the upside. Market did follow that, but it would still need to push higher to give more evidence, because at the moment we are still below resistance. So we had a resistance line here. You can see, in my opinion, we have not substantially broken above that resistance line or that trend line, and those are rather subjective depending on how you draw them. So we broke above this descending channel. That was the first or another signal that we are indeed in this third wave. The strength of the current green candles shows as well that we are probably in a wave 3. Yeah. However, we are still hovering below resistance. So with Ethereum, we really need to get above this 1308 level, this high from the 30th of November. And only that would allow us substantially to get above this resistance area. It's highlighted here in red. That is the general higher degree resistance area. I mean, I can even extend it all the way up to 1308, to be honest. Yeah, but I think most of the trading activity happened in this area, and that's why there is quite a lot of resistance, and that's also why we're just stuck here a bit below 1290. Yeah, this is where I originally already added this resistance area. We spiked a few times above it, but I think the main resistance is in here. If we get above 1290, then hopefully we can also push to 1308, and if we then break above that, that would confirm that we are finally in the third wave and that we have made a low here. Again, we had an entry area here, long entry here, or at least trend reversal areas. Yeah, they all worked out. The thing is now, does the higher degree assumption work out as well, in that we push through resistance here? I am quite, I'm leaning towards a bullish outcome here, further to the upside, possibly into the $1,500 region in the end, in this 5-wave impulsive structure to the upside. So idea is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that we are now in this yellow third wave, in which we have 5 subwaves as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, and then we are in this third wave here, and in this one we've got 5 waves as well. It's the concept of fractals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are now in this yellow wave 3. And in the yellow wave 3, if we zoom in, that's exactly where we are. Yeah, and we would have to assume, based on this, and now we're pushing higher. Okay, see, it's always nice when that happens in a video. And suddenly volatility starts. This was a 1, this a 2, and this would be a 3, here a 4 and a 5. And in this third wave, the target would be, so the small third wave, we talk about the 1.618 extension, what we would ideally want to reach, and that would be at 1320. Now this is what it would need to reach to give us evidence that this is a third wave. Then there should be a small wave 4 decline and another wave 5 push to the upside into the region around 1360, I think. Yeah, that would this yellow wave 3, then a yellow wave 4, and ideally the yellow wave 5, finishing off the white wave 3 in the circle here, then a wave 4 and a wave 5 of large wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and that is how we are cascading higher, and that would be ideally how it should work out. No surprise that Ethereum has some difficulties to push through here, because we've got all this resistance. Yeah, we've got all this resistance, and to be honest, today it's no surprise that we've got a bit of a volatile day. It's CPI being released in 1 hour, so when you watch the video, maybe we already had the CPI data released, and that is, you know, expect even more volatility starting from now until maybe 1 or 2 hours after the CPI. Forecast is 7.3%. I've got it open here. 7.3% is the forecast. Anything 7.3 or lower would, in my opinion, be bullish for crypto, negative for the DXY. Anything above it, yeah, 7.4, 7.5 would be quite bearish for crypto. And anything that's further away than 0.1% from the forecast, so it could be 7.1%, 7.5, that would trigger a lot of volatility. So yeah, expect an interesting day. Tomorrow we've got FOMC, Fed interest rate decision. That will be interesting as well. But I think today is the more important day, the more relevant day, because this is inflation, and the Fed will base their decision to a degree on that as well. Yeah, okay, and that's my update about Ethereum. So we just follow the plan here, unchanged. Need to see what CPI does and if any of those waves and any of the wave counts get invalidated or, let's say, distorted, and then we just have to adapt. But to continue the uptrend here, it is absolutely important that Ethereum pushes above this resistance area. Yeah, either way. So even if we go down short term and then come up, doesn't matter. We need to stay above the yellow support box to maintain the imminent bullish potential. So we need to stay above 1236 and definitely push above this resistance here. Yeah. So that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.